This is a 52-inch Hunter old-time original ceiling fan dated April of 1982 from the Robbins and Myers era. It is bright brass with the Reverse-Aire brackets. It was originally a 2-speed fan, but I have converted this to a 3-speed fan by means of a capacitor connected to the 3-speed pull chain in connection with the original low and with the third wire on the pull chain. So I'll go ahead and start off on low, this new low speed. This fan was actually a salvage find. As I found it down in Austin, Texas. It will, when it is shipped, it will come with a brand new set of blades from Texas Ceiling Fans. Also down in Austin, you're seeing a set currently in use. It has this oak side on the one side, and the other side is walnut. Now there is a bit of wobble on the lowest speed. That's due to one of the brackets being just a little bit out of alignment. With these Reverse-Aire brackets, there's not really any correcting that problem, but it's really only noticeable in the slower speed. It's not going to affect the performance of the fan at all. A lot of these old fans are going to tend to wobble a little bit. If it bothers you that much, you can use a balancing kit on it, but I really wouldn't worry about it, because when you see on the other 2 speeds, the original speeds, it's not going to be doing that very much. And you don't want to ruin these nice blades either. So you can already feel a little bit of air coming off of it. Low's going to run around 75 or 80 RPM. We'll go ahead and put it on medium, which is the fan's original low speed. The original 2 speeds are not modified in any way. It's actually a rather fast medium original low speed for these. It's going to run around 120 RPM. Feel a good amount of air being moved. One thing I will say with these, it has the Reverse-Aire brackets, but this is another one of those fans that for whatever reason did not come with an isolation ring. So fan might over time develop just a little bit of a vibration noise. It's a matter of, if that happens, you just have to tighten the brackets up a little bit. It's not doing that right now. You might still hear the 60 cycle hum from being a shaded pole motor, but again, these are early 80s fans. They're all going to have that. Nothing wrong at all with the motor. I'll go ahead and turn on high. High's also on the faster end. It seems like it's at 200 RPM. This the light fitter is included. Let me just show you that it works. Won't leave it on too long, so I don't want to mess with the camera. But the light fitter will be included. However, the glass globe will not. It's just too difficult to ship, and you can pick it up for about $5 at your local hardware store, or one that is shaped to fit your design. As with all originals, this moves a lot of air. It's got wide blades, it has 15-degree blade pitch, and you cannot beat these motors unless, of course, you fail to keep it oiled. I will ship to the winning bidder. I will ship a tube of Zoom spout oiler, which will service up to 4 fans. You must put an ounce of oil in this fan, so it will properly lubricate the motor and circulate throughout. Again, you must also bolt these straight to the ceiling. I will include a J-hook as well as the original bushing and pin. You can't just mount this on like a ball socket mount or something, because the fan's just too heavy. So like I said, this fan does have the reversing brackets. To reverse the bracket, they're spring loaded, and you push them in and twist them to the other pitch, and then you let go, and that's how you reverse them. We'll now run the fan on reverse. When you run your fan at updraft, you usually want, if you have in a regular room, you would generally want to use it on the slowest speed setting. So this new low speed that I've added should help out with that. It's going to run around 60 RPM, maybe 65. I think the blades are pitched a little bit steeper on reverse, so it's not going to go as fast. Certainly nothing wrong with that. Medium's going around 100, 105 RPM maybe. And you know, not much wobble on the low reverse setting, and maybe just a little bit on the medium reverse. And nothing to be concerned about. It seems to be a particular speed in which the wobble's the worst. So really the worst it was really is on the lowest speed setting on the when the blades are in downdraft. High's going to run around 180 RPM or so on the updraft. So again, this has been a 52-inch Hunter original 22822, the model number, dated April of 1982. It's a great fan. The bright brass is in good condition. There's a couple of little blemishes on it which you're not going to notice once it's installed, but you see that the fan's in great cosmetic shape, and as I said, it will come with a brand new set of blades from the Texas Ceiling Fan store down in Austin. If you're ever in the Austin area, be sure to give Mike and John some business. They're down on 6th Street. But if you're on eBay, happy bidding. This fan is ready to give somebody several more decades of service. You cannot kill the Hunter original.